to Momma J's Country Gardening. So you're saying to yourself, Momma J, what are you up to? Well, I'm getting ready to make an old school meal. But I'm going to use some ingredients from my garden. So first I want to welcome you back to Momma J's Country Gardening. And I want to tell you, it's cooking time. You know, so many people are concerned, and we're all concerned, I should say, about the state of affairs in our world, not just our country today. And we're praying for peace all across the land, all across the ocean. I'm praying for peace for everyone. But as I pray, I also pray that people find a way to grow something. Grow something. You can grow carrots, you can grow peppers, you can grow, some people have land that they can grow chickens. I don't have livestock. But I got chicken feet. I grew onions, so I have scallions here. I grew garlic, so I have green garlic there. And a very dear friend whom I taught gardening shared with me her bok choy. So I am going to take, hello Nellie, I'm going to take Nellie's bok choy and I'm going to add it to a stew. It's going to be stewed chicken feet. I've already washed them and salted them and washed them in salt. Then I washed them in vinegar. Then I washed them in vinegar and salt. And so that's what they're sitting in right now, each last wash. So I'm going to rinse those off. Then I'm going to cut the nails. You see the nails. Ooh, they got some pretty sharp nails. Pretty sharp. Okay. I'm going to give them a manicure. I'm going to clean them. There might be some skin still on them. I'm going to clean the orange skin off. I'm going to wash them again. I am going to chop up the bok choy and this bell pepper and those carrots. I didn't grow those carrots. They were packaged carrots. I'll wash those carrots. And I'm going to season this food, in my pressure cooker. I'm going to add chicken stock. I'm going to season with some soy sauce. Everything is going to prepare in my pressure cooker. Okay? So that's how it's going to go. You can season it to meet your taste. I'm going to season to meet mine. And since it looks like I'm probably not going to have any takers on this meal, especially when everyone is like, oh, what? She got chicken feet? I'll pass. So it's a very hearty meal. I'm actually going to have this over rice. My family's going to have fried chicken and rice, as well as broccoli with their dinner, for dinner. And I'm going to have chicken feet stew. And I want to tell you, this is a very healthy meal. And it's going to be hearty. I want you to know, I grew up eating meals like this. And I had chicken feet. I had chicken feet all different kinds of ways, but today we're going to have it stewed. So, you can also call this a depression meal. You can call this a hard times meal. Because guess why? These are parts from a chicken. And if people are raising chickens on their farm, nothing goes to waste. Okay? Nothing goes to waste. So, I like my food spicied up. I already know no one else is eating this other than me. So what am I doing? I'm going to add some heat to it. Okay, this is going to be in there. This is going to be in there. And I would have some jalapenos and some ghost peppers and all that in there too. But they haven't grown yet. Maybe another time. All right. All right. God bless. I'll show you this meal when it is done. Okay, so I placed everything inside my pot. Oh, my, turned off. Let me turn this back on. I don't know if I want to make this be poultry or do I want it on, hold on, stew? I think I'll put this on stew. No, maybe I'll put it on soup. I'm going to start this on soup and see how I like it. Okay? All right, everything's in there. All right, I'm going to put the top on. I've never prepared this in a pressure cooker because I'm going to tell you, Momma J uses a whole big pot. And now I'm going to try this in a pressure cooker. Okay. Stay with me now. Okay. Put the top on. Make sure the nozzle is where it's supposed to be. And this steam comes out of there, you know that already. But anyway. Ooh, let that pop. Okay, so it's warming up. And I'll see you when I finish. I add a little bit of white vinegar in here. Maybe it was like a quarter cup. And that's all. All right. And of course, all my seasoning that I showed you. All right. I'll let you know how this all turns out. My younger daughter, Ariel, said, what's the rest of us having for dinner if you're having chicken feet? Well, yeah, I am. So they're having fried chicken. Hi. Listen, thank you for hanging out with me with my depression meal. And this is really delicious. Can you see this, Kimberly? I gotta tell you. Oh my God, I got fingers looking up at me. Hello, chicken fingers. I'm getting ready to tell you. This is a beautiful dish. So I have my bok choys in here. I have my carrots, bell pepper, um, my scallions, and my green garlic. Okay, this is really beautiful. So I'm getting ready to have some. And this is over a bed of rice. Oh my whole God. I am going to dedicate this meal to both my Aunt Nell, may she rest in peace, and my mom, may she rest in peace. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, look at how tender that is. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, babe. Here goes. Kimberly, you want me to take you some? She's shaking her head, said no. Bon appetit. Mmm. Mm-hmm. 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 Fresh little bones off. Mm-hmm. My granddad used to chew them right in with his food. I'm not gonna do that. Mm-mm. You don't know what you're missing. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm-mm. I gotta tell you, this is delicious. There's a little bone particles. Mm-hmm. Now, which would you rather have? Fried chicken? I've already seasoned this up. I just have to flour it. Okay. It's got paprika on there. There's dash, garlic and herbs. And black pepper. Now, that's what's on here. But I told you what all is in here. Oh my God, I'm gonna fry this chicken up for the chickens in my house. And I'm having a ball with this. Mm. I know who I can share it with, my neighbors, Fran and Kathy. Yeah, I know they'll love it. But you don't know what you're missing. You can't go hungry with this. I'm telling you. Thank you for very much for hanging out with Momma J's Country Gardening. I'm gonna have another bite. God bless you. And I hope you'll make this dish. It only took uh 20 minutes in the pressure cooker, but actually I doubled it. Because I'm just the old fashioned cooking it in a big pot. So, excuse me, those are bones. I'm gonna eat all this by myself. I will share some. Excuse me. I need to get a nap. I had to get a nap because Kimberly said, Mom, you're enjoying that too much? Because you got food by your face. Well, I'm sorry. But this is some doggone good. Here's to you. God bless you and have a blessed day.